So here we have the Volkswagen Tiguan on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. And then in the middle, firstly, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 25,193. Above that, we have the trip computer. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so there's various things you can have there, including a digital readout for the speedometer, which is particularly handy, of course. And there are other menus available to you as well. And you can see me cycling through all of those now, back around to the beginning again. And the buttons I was using to do that are just here. We've got stereo controls over that side as well, which continue on the left-hand side here. We've got cruise control on the left-hand side. And once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. And behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles so that you can change down or up a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Over in the center, we then have the touch screen for the car. So you can access the radio, which is the menu we're on at the moment, where you'll see we've got FM, DAB, and internet radio. Media is where you can listen to your own music, and you can see you have exactly the same options. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. My Media, you can make playlists up there should you wish to, and then phone is where you'll pair your phone up to the car. Below that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature. Now you can either do that by tapping to go up or down, or you can slide up like that and down like that should you wish to, and that works obviously both sides. And exactly the same for the fan speed as well. You can determine the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures that you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air. Any manual adjustment will override auto straight away again, and allow you to put it back on whatever settings you want it on up here. Below that, we have two USB-C inputs as well as a 12-volt charging socket, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, electronic handbrake with auto hold function. We can turn our parking sensors on and off from here, and you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. In turning on the parking sensors, you are also turning on the colour reversing camera as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.